Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rank in the Google 3-pack. This is probably one of the most important videos I've ever made. I'm going to give you an overview about the 3 things you need to do to rank in Google Maps. Watch this. This video is dedicated to my best friend, Darren Marion, who passed away November 14th, 2021. I love you, brother, and I miss you. This one's for you, kid. All right, guys, hope everybody's doing great. So I watched a video today about a fella who was using ChatGPT to change the content on a website. And he said that when you change the content on the website, basically, you could rank in X amount of time. And I thought the video was well done, and the guy who did it is reputable. However, in order to rank in the Google 3-pack, I don't want anybody to think that if they just change the content on their website, they're going to rank. Or if they just make a change to their Google business profile, they're going to rank. Or if they just get reviews, they're going to rank. It's a combination of these 3, what I call the triangle method. It's the website, the Google business profile, and customer signals. Now, I got a call this week by a potential client who wants me to take a look at their website and see if I could rank them in the Google 3-pack. And I'm sure a lot of you are in this situation. You're watching these videos because you're trying to rank in the Google 3-pack, and this has become very, very complicated. So this video, I just want to make it super simple. I want you to get the idea that when you're watching a video or when somebody's telling you something, if they're not covering these 3 bases, you need to follow up with the things that are missing. Okay? So this is the Google 3-pack. This is the area that I specialize in. And today I'm using kitchen cabinets as the keyword. All right. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go into the Google business profile. And the way to get to it is just to go to business.google.com. You log into your Google business profile. Make sure you use the Gmail account that you registered with. And you'll see these boxes right here. You need to optimize each one of these boxes. For example, your profile, if you sell kitchen cabinets, if you do website design, if you're a dentist or an electrician, you need to optimize your profile correctly. You also need to add in all photos about what you do. So if you're an electrician, you need to add in electrician photos. Don't add stock photography to your Google business profile. As well as when you do your updates, for example, you add your Google posts, you add them about what you do and where you do it. So if you're an electrician in Brooklyn, New York, for example, if you're in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, you want to say that that's where you specialize and that's where you're located. Now, that's the first thing. The first thing is optimizing your Google business profile. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoy the content on this website. I'm really trying hard to try to make it as simple as possible for you to understand how to rank in the Google 3-pack without going down rabbit holes. So that's the reason why I make these videos. If you could do me a favor and just like and subscribe to my channel, that would help get the channel out to more people like you who are looking for this information. Thanks a lot, guys. Your second thing is actually optimizing your website. You want to make sure the second part of the triangle is your website. You want to make sure that first you have your GMB category. So for example, for cabinet store, it may be cabinet store, it may be cabinet installer, right? So you want to have your GMB categories as your first set of links. Your second set of links should be your GMB keywords, the keywords that you're trying to rank. So for example, kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, right? Or, all different types of cabinets. You want to make sure that you have enough content on the page to let Google know what you do and where you do it. You also want to show some type of expertise. And another thing you want to do is if you could do a comparison on that page. So you really want to have content that's written that shows that you're the expert in kitchen cabinets or in bathroom cabinets, so on and so forth. All right. After the second link, the third link you should have is areas we serve. So you want to pick areas, small towns or small cities that are somewhere 5 to 10 miles away from you. And you want to start off with around 3 cities and just write about those cities. Write text about those cities. Okay. After those 3 links, you could put whatever you want. Buy online, our cabinets, kitchen tops, countertops, reviews, whatever you want, you could put after. But those 3 things, in my opinion, right? This is just my opinion, is the way to set up a website. Also, in the right-hand corner, we want a nice big phone number. We don't want a font so small that we could hardly read it. We also want the credit cards that you accept. Right? Those are some of the things that I do. Also, one call to action. If you want them to call, put the phone number in the first, in the first slide here. That's it. Just put the phone number. If you want them to request a consultation or visit you, right, then just add that. Don't give people 3, 4 choices. I consulted on a website this week where the guy gave 7 choices. He couldn't figure out why he wasn't getting any calls. You're confusing people. Okay? Okay, so this is one of the things that I speak about. It's called Local Falcon. So you have your Google Business Profile, it's optimized. You have your website, it's optimized, and you're getting reviews where people are saying that you're a cabinet store located in Denver, Colorado, that they bought kitchen cabinets from you, and they mentioned Denver, Colorado in their review. Right? So those 3 things, the website, the Google Business Profile, and customer signals. People have to say that they purchased or they did business with you in their reviews. They have to use the keywords and they have to use the city. Very important. So you have those 3 things done. Now you say, I don't know if I'm ranking. You need a program like this. It's called Local Falcon. And the best way that I could explain it is Local Falcon is like if you had an accident and you may have broken your arm, you go to the emergency room and you get an X-ray, right? They want to see where the break, if there's a break, and where the break is, so they can fix it. Well, it's the same thing here. There's an issue with your website. You don't know if you're ranking. You don't know where you're ranking. What Local Falcon will do is what they will do here is this is called an SEO grid. And in this SEO grid, it'll show you where you're ranking. So basically, this client is ranking 1 block west, north, east, and south. But they're not ranking. This is a 4-mile grid. They're not even ranking 4 miles for the keyword cabinet store. Right? So you take all your keywords. This is bathroom cabinets. Once again, they're doing a little bit better, but they're not ranking on west, right? But the only way to tell is to actually do these grids. See that? Okay, this keyword is for kitchen cabinets. And the last one is cabinet maker. And they're not doing too well here. But this is the only way to check your ranking. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a program like Local Falcon. I have an affiliate link in the description. If you'd like to use it, that's fine. If you want to just go to the website, go to Local Falcon and use it. It's not any cheaper by just going to the website. So the first thing you want to do is see where you're ranking. The next thing you want to do is you want to go keyword by keyword and you want to do this. So for example, if I'm fortunate enough to take over this account, I'm going to go to their cabinet store page. I'm going to optimize the content. I'm going to go to the Google Business Profile. I'm going to optimize the content for cabinet store, right? All in here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let them know that when their customers give reviews, to use the keyword cabinet store. Okay, it's those three things. It's the triangle, like I said, right? It's the Google Business Profile, it's the website, and it's what customers are saying about you. If you do those three things, you're going to rank. There's no way that you could just change the content on your website and you're going to rank for that keyword. I've been down that road. I believed it a couple of years ago myself, and I added more and more content to the website. You're not going to rank in Google Maps by adding more content to your website. I'm going to tell you that right now. Right? You're not going to rank in Google Maps just by doing some Google posts. 3 to 5 a week for the next 3 weeks. If that's all you're doing, you're not going to rank. Right? You need, I was going to use the word synergy, but I don't know if I'm using it right. You need a synergistic approach. How's that? You need to have the Google Business Profile, the website, and customer signals. One customer signals are reviews. Do those three things, and I promise you're going to rank in Google Maps. Guys, if there's anything that I could do for you, you see my number. Please feel free, shoot me a text, say hello. The other thing that's super important, and more important than this thing, is always be good to your family, right? Clean up around the house, help your wife, kiss your kids, spend some time away from the computer sometimes, right? Get away from the computer every once in a while and help out around the house. Of course, that's really important. And if there's anything that I could do for you, feel free, shoot me a text. If you just want to say hello, that's fine too. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.